Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. So I have made few changes in it. So the first of all, I have added the drop down on this transcription column, which is taking the values from the output column, output tab from here. So if you will add any more fields in here, those will get reflected on this shape. This is just to make sure that you are entering the right result if you are not making any spelling mistakes or any spaces in it, so that each entry will be get counted and total will be shown in here. And I have splitted the currency out of the type and added this extra column so that you can always make the changes. If you have any new entry, any new currency, you can always enter that as well in case. And then I have added this custom menu which will refresh the formula on this output tab. And if someone gets unintentionally disturb the formula, you can always click on this button. This will ask you for the first time when you will be running this for the first time. It will ask you for the authorizations, so you have to authorize it. I hope you know that. And that's simple Google standard operating procedure. Once done that, uh, if you find any glitch or any problem in it, you can always click this formula and it will refresh the formula on this from this here to here. Still, if you find any difficulty or if you need any assistance, you can always let me know. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Thank you.